Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask and set custom RPC for Polygon, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the official MetaMask website at metamask.io. On the home page, locate the download button. Click on it to be directed to the download options for your specific browser. Choose your browser from the available options, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Once selected, follow the on-screen prompts to install the MetaMask extension. After installation, locate the MetaMask icon in your browser's extension area. Click on the icon to open MetaMask for the first time. Read through the welcome message and click Get Started to proceed. Select Create a Wallet to set up a new account. To secure your wallet, create a strong password and confirm it. Next, follow the instructions to back up your secret recovery phrase safely. Store this phrase in a secure location, as it is essential for recovering your wallet. After you've backed up your phrase, confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Now, you are ready to use your MetaMask wallet. To connect to the Polygon network, click on the account icon at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Networks. Now, click the Add Network button. In the new window, enter the following details. For network name, type Polygon. In the new RPC URL field, input https://rpc-mainnet.maticvigil.com. For chain ID, enter the number 137. In the currency symbol field, type Matic. Lastly, for the block explorer URL, enter https://polygonscan.com. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Save to add the Polygon network. You can now switch networks by clicking on the account icon and selecting Polygon. Your MetaMask is now set up to interact with the Polygon network. You are ready to send or receive Matic and other tokens on Polygon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.